The Virtuoso skirt guard, the sliding metal U-shaped piece below the back gate and on top of the safety skirt, doesn't seem to be working right. At the back of the Virtuoso wheelchair lift, there is a metal U-shaped piece attached to the top of the safety skirt. This metal piece is called the skirt guard. The skirt guard slides out from the lift car frame as the platform first raises. Once the lift has traveled approximately 12 inches, the sliders on each side will catch the skirt guard and begin to raise it with the platform. At this point, the skirt guard no longer blocks the back gate from opening. On newer lifts, the lift may be equipped with 2 screws that will catch the skirt guard instead of the sliders. If the skirt guard does not slide freely and is getting stuck, then the guide tabs at the bottom of the skirt guard have likely disengaged from the car frame. See the instructions for removing and reinstalling the safety skirt in the lift's maintenance manual for details on how to properly re-engage the skirt guard. If the guide tabs were able to disengage, then it is possible that the sliders on one or both sides of the skirt guard have been damaged. After properly re-engaging the guide tabs, if either of the 2 guide tabs are able to fall below the guide track on the lift car frame, then the corresponding sliders have likely been damaged and should be replaced. If not replaced, severe damage to the skirt guard and safety skirt may occur.
If you still have any questions or concerns after watching this video, feel free to contact Ascension for further assistance.